Hey, if you've seen Verizon Home Device Protect, you might be wondering what it covers, how much it costs, and whether it's worth it. In this quick video, I'll explain how the plan works, what devices it protects, and the key limits you should know. What is Verizon Home Device Protect? Verizon Home Device Protect is a monthly protection plan for home electronics and smart devices. Instead of insuring just one device, it's designed to cover multiple eligible gadgets in your home under one subscription. Key points: monthly protection plan for home electronics, managed by Asurion, a device protection provider designed for homes with multiple tech devices, covers many smart home and entertainment devices. Smartphones are not included. Monthly price: the plan costs $25 per month plus taxes. What this includes: coverage for multiple eligible home devices, one subscription for the household, repair or replacement if devices stop working. However, if you file a claim, service fees may apply. Fees depend on the device and repair type. Devices that may be covered: the plan can protect many common electronics used at home. Examples include entertainment, TVs, gaming consoles, audio devices, home office, laptops, desktops, tablets, printers, smart home thermostats, video doorbells, smart locks, smart lights, other devices, security cameras, wearables. What the plan covers: the protection plan mainly helps when devices stop working due to mechanical or electrical breakdown, power surge damage, or certain accidental damage. If a claim is approved, the provider may repair the device, replace the device, reimburse the value if repair is impossible. Coverage limits: there are some limits to know. Up to $3,000 per claim, up to $5,000 coverage per year. Multiple claims are allowed within those limits. Is it worth it? It may be worth it if you have many home electronics or smart devices, want protection for multiple gadgets under one plan. But it may not be worth it if you only have a few devices or they're still under warranty. To check more details, check out our full post, link in the description. Let me know what you think in the comments, and subscribe for more simple tech explainers.